Hello everyone, my name is Nicola and today I'm going to show you how you can be perfectly organized in Infinity and run your affiliate business with perfection. All the way from tracking brands information, payouts, login credentials for all the accounts that you use, and lastly, the content. Yes, the content. The content you create to run promotions and put those brands out there for people to see. Managing all the relevant information is the core of any business, and this template will make that plain and simple. So let's get started. The brands. In this folder, you can easily add brands that you have affiliated with. In the first column, we put the names, of course, followed by the links to all the affiliate dashboards for those brands. It has never been easier, right? In the next column, we have brief descriptions of those brands, followed by the links to their websites. Sometimes the brands use a third-party provider for the affiliate side of their business, so this will save you time. Easy access to the usernames and passwords can come in very handy, but also your personal referral links as well. Everybody wants to know how much is their effort worth, so commission rates are easy to spot. Next to it is the content you've created for those brands with a perfect shortcut just a click away. Additionally, we have categorized all the brands and put them in a different tab right here. The column view is just perfect. Let's move on to payouts. I told you before, everyone wants to know how much their effort is worth. And here you can track exactly how much are you getting paid. Smart, isn't it? Write down each payout in this column, reference it to a particular brand, set a date for that payout, and also link the payment system it was processed through. All those financial data nightmares are officially over. Furthermore, in the Brands tab, you can assess how the brands are performing according to your payouts. And in the Dates tab, you can follow closely the time component of those payouts. Let's head to the Accounts folder. There has never been more payment systems as it is nowadays. Not only there is an abundance of those systems, but all the brands don't necessarily use the same ones. In here, you can store all the accounts information that you utilize for those payouts. We have also elegantly referenced the brands those accounts are used by. And finally, the last but not the least, the content folder. Those brands are not going to be promoted by themselves. Well, certainly they're doing something, I hope so, but this content is used to promote your referral links. I know, it is complex. I agree. But why would you want to have all that data scattered everywhere? If you can have them all in just one place, the affiliate management template. Easily create your content plan. For example, you want to create 15 productivity tools and apps to help you fight procrastination. It is going to be a blog, and currently it is in to-do status. The Status tab allows you to efficiently keep track of your progress with the content, what has been done, and what needs your attention. And finally, the Brands tab, all that reference to the brands you are affiliated with. That will be all for now. I hope you really liked it. I would love to hear your feedback about this template. If there are things we've missed, feel free to email me and I'll make sure to include those suggestions. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.